Welcome to another lesson from Justin Bieber's new album, Justice. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Hold On. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from this artist. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerup.com. There's a link in the description below. Enjoy! So the intro starts off with the picking part. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So for this, we're going to start on the 4th fret of the A string. I'm going to pluck it once, then open E string, open B string, then A string again, then open E string, then 2nd fret A string, and we're going to do the same picking pattern again. Then open A string, same picking pattern. Then back to the 2nd fret, same picking pattern. Then we're going to do that whole thing again. Then we're going to do that again. Except once we get to this point, we're going to go to an open E string, then open high E string, open B string, open E string, open high E string. Then we're going to do the first part of the riff again. 2nd fret A string, open A string, 2nd fret A string, 4th fret A string, then 1st fret D string, 2nd fret D string, open A string. And I'll play it for you again, all put together. It sounds like this. Now the chords during the verse and chorus. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I said, the verse and chorus are made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a C sharp minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Next is a B major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. Next is an A major chord, so you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. And then back to the B major chord. Then back up to the C sharp minor chord. Back to the B major chord. A major, E major. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. And that chord progression repeats twice, and I'll play it for you again. It sounds like this. Now the picking during the chorus, it's similar to the picking during the intro. So it starts on the 4th fret of the A string, open high E, open B string, 4th fret A string, open high E. Then we're going to do the same picking pattern again, except with your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Then we're going to do that again, except open A string. Then 2nd fret, A string, same picking pattern. Back to the 4th fret of the A string. 2nd fret A string, same picking pattern. Open A string, same picking pattern. Open low E string. High E string. Open B string. Open low E. Open high E string. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you again. It sounds like this. Now the last part I want to show you is the bridge. It's the same as the verse and chorus, except we're going to be strumming each chord once. It sounds like this. And that's it for Hold On. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for listening from this artist. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerup.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks.